Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to show you how to replace the headlights or headlight bulb, the low beam, on a 1995 through 2005 Chevrolet Astro or GMC Safari van. Looking at it, there's not a lot of great videos that actually show you how to do it, and they're all full of guys that just keep flipping the camera around, looking at themselves, and then doing it the hard way. So, first step, let's check to make sure we know which bulb is out. As you can see, the outer beam, you probably can't see on this side, but on this side, the outer light bulb is the low beam. This should be high beam. This one should be high beam. Yep, high beams. So this bulb is the one that is out that needs to be replaced. Okay. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. This van that we are working on is a 2002 model year Astro van. All-wheel drive, luxury touring package. That really shouldn't matter. These are all fairly the same for the second generation. The first generation of vans from 1985 to 2005 had a sealed beam headlight, the old style type bulb that you would slide in, and it was self-contained with low and high beam. So what we're going to do, I don't have a pointer. There's 4 bolts. There's 4 bolts that we have to loosen. The very first one is tucked in there, and that brings this little side marker out. The other 3 are 1, 2, and 3, which is behind the side marker. So we're going to start with that little side marker light bulb. Okay, so we have now these 2 bolts here, and there is one back there on the side. You'll see me digging in there in a minute. And then this lens should pop right out. They're all 10 mil. Loosen them. Okay, now that we have our 4 bolts out all together, we should be able to just lift this little guy up. Note. Alright. Now remember from our test earlier we said that the outer one bulb was bad. So that would be this bulb right here. A turn. And out she comes. Now you also have to undo this plug. You might need a screwdriver for it. Just gently bend these tabs up. It requires a little bit more finger strength than I've got. And apparently a little more coordination than I have too. Jeez. Like so. Okay. Now what's very important, we're going to replace this with a Sylvania bulb I got from the local auto parts store. This was the cheapest I could find. The number is 9006 for those who are wondering. I don't know what you can see. But what we're going to do is very important that you do not touch the glass with your bare hands. That will cause premature wear, and your bulb will burn out instantly, much faster. I like putting a little bit of this bulb grease in the plug just for security, so you can get the plug out the next time. We're going to put this, okay, now, without touching the glass, remember, you do not touch the glass. Just clip it in like that. Oops. Put it in there. Okay, and there it is. Because my hand was probably in the way. To take the bulb out, untwist it. If you're looking down at it, it's counterclockwise. Out. Put it back in. Make sure that the surfaces are flat, and turn it clockwise. If you're like I said, you're staring at it. Now, just for the heck of it, let's make sure the light's going to work. And sure enough, there it is. Okay, installation is just repeating the process backwards. There's a little tab here you want to line up in the body. And that. Let's get 1 or 2 of these started. Let's not forget our little friend here on the side. Nice and snug. And we don't want to forget this little reflector on the side. Which is foggy, it could be clean, but hey, that's alright. It's another video. There we go. That's how you change the light bulb on a 1995 to 2005 Chevrolet Astro or GMC Safari. I almost said Sierra, didn't I? Safari van. Let's give them one more check, and away we go. There we are. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. I've done a couple how-to videos for these Astro vans. They're great vehicles, but they're getting older and they need a little bit of TLC. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting. And as always, thanks for watching.